Okay, window management in Excel. This is one of my favorite areas. So it just saves you tons of time, and it's something that you do on a regular basis. So what does this mean? Let's say that I want to maximize this window. Well, I can do that obviously by coming up here and hitting this top box, and it will maximize. Another way to do that is by hitting Alt Space, and that opens this little menu over here. And you can see the options that you have here. So Alt Space, now if I were to hit X, it would maximize the window, N would minimize, S would size, and M would move, and then X would close it. So a really quick way to maximize the window is Alt Space X for maximize, and then if you want to restore it, Alt Space R, and it restores to where you had before, or Alt Space N will hide it, right? So I find these to be really easy ways to get the things done that you need while you're trying to manage your window space. Another quick one is if I just want to close this, I'll hit Control W, and that's another way to just get rid of the workbook. And another way to do that is Alt F C, right? So that's what you're doing is File Close, right? So great things to know if you're managing a lot of window space. Another really nice one, some people aren't aware of this, but this works in a lot of Microsoft Office or general kind of Windows applications. If you hold the Windows key and then hit the left arrow button, it will take the entire workbook and size it to half the left half of your screen. Okay, and this works. So if you hit the right arrow, it'll shift it to the right side of your screen. Now you can't see, just based on the way that the video is set up, it's not actually taking half of the space, but on my monitor it's showing half of the space. And if I hit Windows up, it will maximize. And if I hit Windows down, it will restore. If I hit Windows down again, it will minimize. So this is just amazing to use as a quick shortcut when you're working in a number of applications in Excel.